The tea seller's lesson. One rainy evening, a young man named Rahul was sitting at a small tea stall near the railway station. He looked tired and worried. The tea seller, an old man with a gentle smile, noticed Rahul's face. He asked, "Why do you look so sad, son?" Rahul sighed and said, "Uncle, I studied a lot and worked hard, but nothing is working in my life. My plans keep failing. I feel like giving up." The old tea seller quietly poured tea into a small cup and handed it to Rahul. Rahul took a sip and said, "This tea tastes really good." The old man smiled and said, "Do you know why?" Rahul shook his head. The old man pointed to the boiling kettle and said, "Tea becomes good only after going through heat. If the water is not hot, the tea will never taste like this." Rahul looked at him carefully. The old man continued, "Life is the same. Problems are like the heat. They make you stronger." Rahul thought for a moment and asked, "But uncle, what if problems never stop?" The old man laughed softly. He said, "When I was young, I had a big shop. One day, a fire destroyed everything. I lost all my money." Rahul was surprised. "Then what did you do?" he asked. The old man replied calmly, "I started this small tea stall. At first I felt ashamed. But slowly I realized something important." "What?" Rahul asked. The old man said, "Work is never small. Only our thinking makes it small." Rahul looked around. Many people were happily drinking tea at the stall. Some were laughing, some were talking, and some were relaxing after a long day. The tea seller said, "Every day I meet new people. I hear their stories. I learn something new. My shop may be small, but my life is peaceful." Rahul suddenly felt lighter. He realized that success is not only about money or big achievements. Sometimes success means learning, growing, and continuing to move forward. Rahul finished his tea and stood up. Before leaving, he said, "Thank you, uncle. Today you taught me something very important." The old man smiled and said, "Remember one thing in life. Do not fear failure. Fear stopping." Rahul walked away with a new hope in his heart. Sometimes the greatest lessons in life do not come from books. They come from simple people, in simple places, at the right moment.